This tutorial is the Firefighter sign. The mold is from K&L. Save takes off 10%. So this mold is super easy. The first thing you do is you just put a layer of red in the base. I link all my materials in the video notes. So spread the red beads out nice and evenly, then bake at 325 for 20 minutes. Once it's baked, you're ready to add in your designs. I like to start with this thick white paint pen because that makes coloring it in way quicker. I don't worry about getting all of the teeny tiny details yet. I'm just getting in the big sections, and then I'll go over it with a smaller Sharpie paint pen after. I highly recommend the Sharpie paint pens. I have used other brands, but I haven't had as much success with those because they tend to come off the Freshie. So I would stick with Sharpie, but you can always try and see what works best for you. So you'll just go around, color in the words, color in the details. Again, I don't worry about the gaps because I can go back in and fill those in later with a smaller paint pen. We're just trying to get all of the main areas here. So this was with the bold. Now I'm going to go through with a fine-tipped Sharpie paint pen and fill in some of those gaps. And I couldn't find it. That's why there's this awkward gap. This one's actually the medium paint pen. So I just am going to go through. I'm going to fill in the lines on the helmet. And then I'm going to fill in a couple of the gaps around, and then this one is all finished. So this one's really nice and easy. As long as you make sure that you've cooked it long enough, then you shouldn't have any issues with it. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe and like my video. I also love to hear your comments, so if you have any questions, please let me know.